In today's day and age, there are so many ways that you can make money online with just a few easy steps, with high income and little effort. Most of these ways don't even include having to invest or having to have a large following. But did you know that you can also make money online just by reading? You heard that right. Every day, we read thousands of words, so what if we make money off of it? That's what we'll be showing you today. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends so that you and everyone else will know of this great tip to earn money just by reading words. Today, I will show you a website that will pay you lots of money based on how much you read. This website is called Voices.com, and you can get paid to read on this website. They even show you a breakdown of how many minutes, words, and how much you can earn based on the amount of the prior two categories. You can earn from $100 to more than $1,000 on this website. Whether you want to read for 2 minutes or up to more than 45 minutes, you can get paid the longer you read. The word count ranges from 300 or fewer words up to more than 6,000 words, so it's already 100% worth it, because you can make more dollars per minute or hour just by reading words. Voices is a legitimate website because it has collaborated with many different known brands such as Shopify, the LA Times, GoDaddy, Microsoft, the History Channel, Hulu, and many more. So you can expect the potential for income on this website is amazing. Projects are always available and you will never run out of things that you can do to earn money. The best part is that after finishing a project, you can get paid immediately through PayPal or any payment services without any hassle or delay. It's that easy. So let's walk through it. First, go to Voices.com and click on the upper right-hand corner of the screen where you must sign up. They will ask you whether you're going to hire a talent or to find work as a talent. So of course, we're here to make money, so click on Find Work as a Talent. Then, you will need to input your name. And then your own unique password. Then click a check on the box saying that you agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. But if you want to make it more convenient, you can just scroll down to see that you can continue simply with your Google account. Once you've signed up with an account, you can see the many different categories of projects you can choose from and start your work with. One by one, you can choose from advertising, animation, broadcasting, consumer brands, education, financial services, gaming, healthcare, nonprofit, publishing, technology, and video production. So as you can see, there is an abundance of projects and categories you can choose from, depending on the kind of work that you're more interested in doing. But today, I will show you where most of the projects come from, which is in education, gaming, and advertising. This is where you will be able to make the most money. The best part is that there are endless opportunities to choose from no matter where you are in the world. Whether you speak English or a different language, the more you can do, the more you can get jobs and get paid just by reading. So remember to focus on those 3 categories for now, because they are the ones who will pay you the most amount of money with the least amount of time and effort spent for the job, because it is very high in demand. If you click on a category, you can see the different voice artists that have their demos and the language they speak. You can click to the left-hand corner of the screen and you will see the different languages that the website might be looking for. The more languages you know, the better. Not only that, they list down every single detail about the project, who you're going to be doing it for, the voice age that they're looking for, the gender, the job description. Not only that, they will also specify the art direction, the category, industry, style, language, preferred accent, and the word count of the script, so you will know what it is for. You might be able to get jobs that will require you to do instruction segments, commercial breaks, advertisements, and many more. On this website, you'll be accepting projects to read and send to the employer. But wait, what if I don't have a nice microphone setup? Don't worry, there is no need for fancy equipment. You can even use your phone or earphones for it. Voices.com even has an application available to be downloaded on your phone. Try looking for it on the Google Play Store. So there, you will see that you can do this even on your phone, no matter how much time you have and how much you feel like doing. This is a freelance site for readers, so you don't even have to use a camera or reveal your face. All you need is to use your voice and read. It's easy, free, and accessible. What else do you need? All by reading scripts. You can already earn up to $1,000 depending on how many projects you take, how long the script is, and the duration of the script. It's very low effort and you don't need fast internet or a fancy computer to do it. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I am able to help you find a new way to make some little income. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and be able to help out others too.